let's take a look at an interesting different way that you could approach making random numbers by not actually making random numbers, but using a different function in the random family. So we're going to import our random. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a list of things. So lists are covered later. You might not have seen those yet, but they can be tricky. But their basic idea is that you can make a group of related variables and push them all together. So let's just say you said, I want to make a list of foods that I want to eat right now. And a list gets these square brackets. So that's one thing that you'll have to get used to doing. And let's just say, well, maybe I want a donut. Maybe I want. Well, see, I can't think of anything other than donuts to eat. Okay, fine, salad. Ugh. And maybe you want a hamburger. And maybe you want, let's do one more, an apple. So we have a few healthy choices in there, right? And we want to randomly do this. So you could do it, make four random numbers, random number 1 through 4, and then if it's a 1, it's a donut. If it's a 2, it's a salad, and so on. Uh, but in coding, whenever you find yourself doing something over and over again, there's usually a better way to do it. So instead, what we want to do is we want to say, no, we're going to randomly choose a food. So I'm just going to use a print statement here to do this. So I'm going to say, instead of random.randint, I'm going to say random choice, and I'm going to say choose from this group of food. And I should be able to run this. And so it chose a hamburger from this group. And now it chose a salad, and now it chose, I'm going to keep going until I get the one I want. Oh man, don't do this to me. There, finally. So it's chosen a donut. So you could use that when you have words that you wanted to choose from, or maybe you wanted to choose like 4 different numbers, but those numbers are nothing to do with each other in terms of, they're not in a row. It's like I want to choose between 5, 10, 64 and 120 for some reason. So you could put those in a list and then just say choice and have that work. So that's kind of a cool option that you can do for randomness.